is up, guys? It's Simon from pianopig.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few ways that you can make your scale practice a bit more exciting. Scales are great. They are the foundation of what music is built upon, and they are absolutely essential to know if you want to be a competent musician. But they're also probably a number one reason why people stop playing the piano. They're just so boring to practice. You just play the same thing over and over again, and you don't really understand how it actually helps other areas of your playing. If that sounds like you, then you've stumbled across the perfect video. Using these ideas, you'll be able to transform your scale practice into something much more exciting, and it will actually benefit your playing a lot more at the same time. If you find this video useful, then you're definitely going to benefit a lot more from being a PianoPig Academy member. You can find all the details over at pianopig.com. Let's do it! So the first way we're going to make our scales more exciting is by using patterns. One of my favourite patterns is called the 1-2-3-1 pattern. And the idea is that for each note, you call that 1, and you play the pattern 1-2-3-1. Let me show you what I mean. In C major, we start on C. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 1. And then we move to the next note of the scale, D. And we play 1, 2, 3, 1. And then E, F, and so on. But we want to play it all together smoothly. And to make it even more exciting, we could play it in a swung rhythm. So all together over G major, that would sound like this. I actually have an entire video with some of my favourite scale patterns, including this one. I'll put a link to that up at the top now, so you can go and check that out after you've watched this video. Another way to spice up our scale practice is to play around with the direction of the scales. Normally we just practice them ascending and then descending, and we don't really question why. But a very simple way to change things up is to start by descending and then finish by ascending. For example, if we were playing a D natural minor scale, we could do this. Or A major. And you probably want to practice this over more than just one octave. I recommend doing it over 4 octaves if you can. We can develop this idea further by switching which scale we play every time we change direction. So if you were practicing your major scales, you could play C major ascending, followed by D flat major descending, followed by D major ascending, and so on. That would look like this. That's another one of my favourite tricks. It really gets you thinking and does you so much good. You can also swap it around, so you start with C major descending. And so on. The final method I'm going to leave you with to spice up your scale practice is to use backing tracks. If you get a fun backing track with drums and percussion only, so that it has no key center, and practice your scales along to this, you'll find you can go on for hours and hours. It just adds another level to it, which takes away the boringness of scales on their own. So I've got a kind of Latin-based backing track, and you can download this for free if you want to use it. The link is in the description below. we're just going to practice our scales like normal along to it. We could then go on to apply all of these methods we've been talking about and practice those along to the backing track as well. But to start with, let's just practice them up and down along to the backing track. So hopefully that's given you something to think about, and hopefully a few of these methods resonate with you and you can bring some excitement into your scale practice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any new content, and I will see you next time.